Welcome back. Good relation and rapport with public will help to solve 50% of crime cases, says Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He was addressing a gathering of police at the inaugural of Sat Samvad, a community policing initiative. CM inaugurated the Sat Samvad on Sunday at Alteen in Panji. The initiative policy will enable police to interact and get info from the community on various crimes and issues related to antisocial elements.
Chief Secretary S. Vijayanand, DGP Kishan Kumar, IGP Sanjay Singh, Panjim Mayor Vaidhi Naik and other dignitaries were present for the inaugural. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar advised police officers to interact with people to detect crime cases.
I can tell you this much, if you have a good relation with people, 50% of your crime will be solved by people. In my experience. There are good cemeterians amongst the society. I find that there are 5-10% of people who have knowledge about the society because they are either open, their ears are very sensitive. And if police has a better coordination with them, they can help police in solving some crime.
Chief Secretary spoke on providing human and material resources to the police department.
Increase the number of men, number of officers, number of both gazetted as well as the non-gazetted officers. We are in the process of recruiting them, and very soon we will start the recruitment process for the officers. So, at least 2 years from now, I suppose we will have adequate number of men manning our police stations.
DGP Kishan Kumar briefed on the objectives of the Sat Samvad.
To bridge the communication gap between police and public, to break anonymity of lawbreakers, to make law-abiding citizens as stakeholders in community policing, to improve police image, and to make police accountable and transparent.
Prizes were distributed to various students and artists who participated in various competitions organized by the police and traffic cell. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Aggrieved farmers of Kakoda Khurchode are helpless. They say when on one side the government is asking them to get into farming business post-mining ban, the officials appointed by the government are stopping them from cultivating farms. Farmers from Kakoda have alleged that the municipality officials refrain them from farming on their lands, whereas the officials claim the land to be government's property.
Since past 4 to 5 months of mining ban in the mining belt, the locals are opting to get into farming business for a livelihood. These farmers are from Kakora area in Kuchari. They have no other means of living other than farming. These men were earlier engaged as drivers on mining trucks, but are turned jobless now. The farmers claim that there is no compensation from the government after mining ban and hence farming remains the sole option. But the Kuchari municipality official seems to be a blockade.
गाड़ी बंद पड़ हांगे येल्लो यहाँ पर पैसे 40,000 मार मोडल्या म्हागेले सगळे आता काल पयर म्युनिसिपालिटी मनीस येवन तेणें म्हाका भितर उडयता म्हणपा लागले तूं ट्रॅक्टर कितें हाडला हांगा आमी जमीन एक्वायर केलें म्हणपा लागले त्या टायमार हांवें तांकां सांगलें तुमचे कडेन कितें आसलें घेवन यो आमी टॅलंट लागला हांगा.
The officials claim the fields to be a government property. Farmers say they have not received any notices with regards to acquisition of the farmland.
जायत जाण हाय आमी क्रिस्तांव हिंदू बा सगळीं बराबर रोयतालीं सगळीं एकठांय रावन शेत तें आतां आमकां रोवपा मेळना आनी आमी कितले आतां दूड मोडले त्या दुडाचोय फोड ना कांय ना अशें आमी बेजासान आहाय आतां शेता लागून.
तेज नंतर आतां अकस्मात जर तूं आयज जाल्यार पयर ट्रॅक्टर परत कोसपा लागून हाडली जाल्यार म्युनिसिपालिटी मनीस येयले आनी आमकां धमकी दिवपा लागले कितें तुमी अशें तशें इक्वायरी केलां पूण आमकां इक्वायरी केलें तें नोटीस बी कांय धाडना म्हणून.
Now, they have asked the Agriculture Minister Manohar Parrikar to intervene in the matter and resolve the issues. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
It's good news for bird watchers. Many migratory birds have started to arrive in Goa to escape from harsh weather of colder regions. Migratory birds such as gulls have started to arrive at Karanzale beach. Gulls come down in Goa only during winter. Karamboli Lake is witnessing large increase in number of birds such as whistling ducks. Rakesh Kandolkar reports.
These are the migratory gulls. These birds arrive at many of Goan beaches in winter. Gulls have started to arrive at Karanzalem beach. Gulls survive on sea fish. These birds come down to South India, including Goa, from colder regions of Northern Hemisphere. Gulls make beach more beautiful. These birds remain on beaches from October till December. Local fishermen told us that cold climate and abundant availability of fish attracts these birds in Goa.
ते बर्ड हिंगाच रावता ते हूंय वचना आनी ते ताल्ली हिंगा आसप म्हणल्यार ते हिंगाच रावता आतां जर जरी तर आतां जर साश्टीन जर ताल्ली पडत जाल्यार साश्टीन वयता ती
थंडीच्या दिसांनी आता
थंडीच्या दिसांनी म्हळ्यार ऑक्टोबर नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबर चडशी आसता ती नुस्तें पडटात तेन्ना ताल्ली पडलीच म्हणटकच येवप ते सायडीच्यान
आणि बीच मागीर ब्युटिफूल दिसता बर्ड्सांक लागून
हय मागीर तूं आमी एक बरें आतां रांपण घालून तांबयले फुंड्या पुसता न्हू ती ताल्ली आमी काडटा ते काडटा तेन्ना ते बर्ड मरे सारकी सारकी अशी भोंवन भोंवन सगळें आख्खी दोळीच कशें दिसता सगळें.
There is one more place around Panji that is attracting migratory birds these days, and this place is Karamboli Lake. This year, number of whistling ducks have increased at Karamboli Lake. These birds are also migratory birds that come in large number at Karamboli. Railway station is very close to this lake. In spite of heavy noise of railways, these migratory birds have made this lake their strong ground in Goa. Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent.
Men in state service do have a political brand and identity. Daily wage workers of GTDC have requested CM Manohar Parrikar to regularize them in the services. Workers claim that since 2003, they have been neglected and labelled as BJP supporters. While they are neglected, more and more fresh recruits are being inducted and regularized in the corporation.
Seems like party name really matters while in the state administration. That's what the daily wage workers in the Goa Tourism Development Corporation feel and claim. This is what the daily wage workers of GTDC are facing. They say the then government officials neglected them, calling them the BJP supporters. They say more and more people are being recruited in the corporation while they are still on daily wage.
2003 आहा तांकां अजून कोण पळयना तेज्या आमच्या उपरांत स्टाफ घेता हालीं एक वर्स जालें तांकां रेगुलरायज केलें पूण आमचेर कोण लक्ष दिना आमी हेज्या पयलीं चॅरमॅनाक मेळ्ळो चॅरमॅन म्हणटा तुमी BJPचे मनीस आमी तुमकां कन्फर्म करूंक शकना आतां आमी इतलेंच मागता की आमकां BJP येयल्या म्हणटकूच आमकां कन्फर्म करचें आमकां रेगुलरायज करपाचें इतलें आमी मागता.
There are around 32 workers in GTDC department who are on daily wages since 2003. They have asked the Chief Minister to regularize them and secure their jobs.
आम्ही अशें आयकलां की आतां ह्या 10-15 दिसां भितर 20 जाणांक ऑर्डरी दिवपाची आसा म्हणून हय आनी ते आमी आतां कितें एक आमची रिक्वेस्ट आहा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक की आमचेरूय खंय तरी एक अन्याय जावचो न्हू आनी आमकां कितें तरी एक आमच्या लायफा खातीर आमकां कितें तरी एक जॉब आमचे दिवचो म्हणजे परमनंट जॉब दिवचो म्हणून.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.